Hi friends, welcome to my channel LIVEK Talk. In my previous video, I have explained how to do perfect white balance using a gray chart. Those who have missed this video, kindly click on the link given on description box. Now in this video, I will explain how to do perfect color balance of your camera using a color checker. So, be tuned with LIVEK Talk.
Hey, LIVEK is back again with the YouTube channel LIVEK Talk. It's a new horizon to broadcast technology. Here we will interview and discuss about various audio and video equipment, operations and troubleshooting, AR, VR, virtual chroma. Try to find a fact, technology behind the technology. Also get fact from online graphics as well as offline graphics, technology to transmission, TV stations to earth stations. Find out the fact of automations and robotics. LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera, action.
First, let me explain what is the color checker. Friends, it's a reference device or tool that is used by photographer or videographer to create true to life color reproductions. Means accurately represents the color of a real object. On the other way, we can say that color checker is a broadcast tool or device is used to solve the problem of untrue to life color reproduction occurs because of camera, lenses and lighting. Let's check this photo. Here, left hand side photo has a green stone due to maybe the lighting or camera. This is actually untrue to life color reproduction. Here, let's check another photo. The left hand side photo has blue stone due to maybe the lighting, camera or lenses. This type of problem can be easily solved by using a color checker. The color checker contains 24 patches of color arranged in 4 rows with 6 patches each. First 12 colors that are critical in reproduction, that is dark and light skin tones, sky blue, orange, violet and etc. After that 6 color patches with primary and secondary colors as blue, green, red, yellow, magenta and cyan, and the last row contains 6 step grayscale.
This is color chart.
This is
Color checker.
Yeah, color checker.
Okay.
So all of us like of different ethnic group have different skin tones.
Okay.
So like this is a skin tone normally used for Iranians. They like to be very red, very white.
Yeah.
You know. Then normally for how to say for people
This set is for only for Indian. Black
Indian or then or if not the normally here I think here is for Chinese. Something like that. Yeah. But normally you can use this to do adjustment of a specific color, like maybe your producer says that I want the entire picture to be more saturated in red. And this is where you use the color checker and then with the camera's special function to do matrix adjustment. You do painting, right? And adjust to add more red or add more blue. It depends on what is your requirement.
After black balance and white balance are properly done, then camera should recognize each color properly. Then
And
it can
from
be
your eye level,
Yeah.
you check the chart,
Yeah.
and then you compare what you see on eye level to the video monitor.
Yes.
See whether if you reflect
Same or not.
how close it is.
Yeah.
Yeah, and to further confirm that whether if the electrical value are accurate, you use a waveform monitor to see that value of on a vector scope. Where exactly are all these colors on a vector scope?
Yeah. How much closer?
Mm.
Much closer means it works fine. It recognizes each individual color properly.
And you can do adjustment more or less of
Yeah.
in certain color that you select, which is color correction.
Color correction.
Yeah. Very common in broadcast camera
Yes,
system.
right. Thank you, David. Thank you.
So, to do color balance of your camera, you must carry out first black balance and white balance as I said in previous video. After that, place your color checker 3 to 4 meter away from your camera and make a frame in each camera and check output of camera in waveform monitor if necessary to color correction using OCP.
So now we are going to see the basic
So
testing or checking using
what you can see,
waveform
this is waveform monitor.
Okay.
So if I point at a better scope, you see here, these are all the possible colors that you can see. Gain times 1. So if you want to do the adjustment, then you have to select every spoke here.
Okay.
All this dot here is every point of color in this palette here.
Okay.
And then you have to do the adjustment to move to the color that you want to.
Okay. As per this graph, I think this point should be this outer outline. G
This
should
is-
be here.
R, then magenta, blue, cyan, green, and yellow.
Yellow.
So this is how you do the adjustment. For broadcast system, there is a operation control panel that allows you to have in communication from the panel to the camera, and the control panel can adjust individual spoke of color to adjust to what you want.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is how you do camera setup.
Robotics. LIVEK, a new horizon to broadcast technology. Subscribe our channel, LIVEK Talk. Be ready, light, camera.